Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's session that is of standard 5th and lesson is also 5th with the title Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Version can be anything, but in our according to our syllabus, we are taking our version 2010 of MS Office, right? From MS Office, we are using a Microsoft PowerPoint, means MS PowerPoint. Let's start. In this chapter, we will learn that how we can open PowerPoint, how we can create a file in it which is called presentation, then how we can take some built-in templates, means the designs which are already prepared, we can use them directly. After that, we will learn modifying built-in tablets, which designs are already in the computer, then we can make changes in them also, right? So it is modifying. Next is apply theme, changing color, scheme and background colors. Everything we can change of our file, of our slide according to our requirement to modify, to make it beautiful, right? Next is inserting smart art. It is the another feature in which you can use some list options, or I will explain you when we go through that lesson, right? Next is viewing a presentation in different views. In this chapter, we will cover all these topics. Let's start. First of all, we have to know about what is PowerPoint, right? So PowerPoint is a software. You already, I think you already very much familiar, because this topic was in our previous class, means standard 4th also. But we will start from very beginning, right? In this lesson, in this class also, right? Okay, let's start. Students, you have already learned many features of Microsoft PowerPoint in the previous class. As I told you, Microsoft PowerPoint is component of Microsoft Office suite. It enables you to make effective and appealing presentation by adding text, diagrams, scanned images, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs, and animated special effects. These all options we can use in our presentation, means file of PowerPoint. Okay. Now, what is presentation, which I am using again and again? What is the meaning of this word? Presentation is made up of collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, persuade, or impart information. What it means? Like students, let's take an example of a book. Book, what is a book? Book is just a collection of pages, right now. Same way, what is presentation? Presentation is just a collection of slides. Slides are just like a page of your notebook on which you can draw anything, you can write anything. Okay? Same way, in slide, we can draw anything, we can type anything, we can add sound, we can add video, we can add any hyperlink, right? So a slideshow is when you prepare this slide, then you have to show it on full screen, and that is called slideshow. A slideshow is a presentation of a series of slides on a projection screen or electronic display devices displayed in a sequence, right, students? So what is the PowerPoint and what are the uses of it? Let's discuss in only 4 points, because these four points will cover all the features of MS PowerPoint. Let's start from first. PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. Look, students, whatever we thought, whatever we imagine, we can show it with the help of PowerPoint, right? And we can add some sound and video effects also. It is widely used in the business world and also in schools to teach different topics. Yes, if you want to know that what is the use of PowerPoint slide, what is the use of PowerPoint presentation, you can say, then we can use it. Mostly we can use it in businesses and in school. As you can see in your smart classes, there are a lot of presentations are there, right? With the help of teacher can teach you, right? This helps in providing a better understanding of the subjects. Look, students, when you read something, you will learn something, right? But when you saw something, when you see something, then you can understand the topic completely. Because when we see something, we can understand and we can remind it in our brain for a long time, and we can understand it very quickly, right, beta? So this was the first feature of PowerPoint. Another one is we can easily impart data from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. into a PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint 2010, we can also insert videos from websites through the internet using copy and paste. Look, students, I told you earlier that we can add some sound and videos in our slide, but with it, we can also add some files which we already prepared in MS Word or in MS Excel, right, beta? So it is also another feature of another very important feature of MS PowerPoint. Next is we can generate a handout material and speakers notes after creating a presentation. Yes, when you prepare any presentation, you can also write the information regarding it in the notes. Notes is the option. I will tell you during this lesson what is notes, but you have to know that we can create some notes regarding the slide so that anyone can read it and can understand the pattern of the slide or the logic of the slide. And the last but not the least, PowerPoint 2010 gives us the ability to upload our presentation using the free PowerPoint broadcast services. Look, students, if you prepared your slide, then you can also upload this presentation, and it is also free PowerPoint broadcast service. You don't need to give any money for it. You can upload it on the internet. Okay, so now starting Microsoft PowerPoint, how we can open Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's start. First of all, click on start button. Side by side, I will show you. First of all, click on start button. Then one menu will pull up. Then you will select it from this list, the all programs. After all programs, you will go in Microsoft Office. After Microsoft Office, you will get all these Office softwares. And from it, you have to click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. That is indicated by the P logo, P for PowerPoint. Let's start. I am opening it side by side. Look, students, PowerPoint is opening. You can open directly or you can open from start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office. This is Microsoft Office. I have Office 2013 and you can use anyone, but the option and the style and the command will be same. Now from it, I have to select, this is P PowerPoint. Click on it. You will see this kind of screen, and from it, let me turn the page. From it, you will get this kind of screen, but how? After clicking on blank presentation. This is blank presentation, and you click on it, then you will get same kind of file on the screen. Look, students, as you can see in the picture of your book, look, the same file you will get. This is our screen. Okay, let's read out. Next, creating a new presentation. Click on the File tab and select the new option from the drop-down menu. Choose the blank presentation option under the available templates and themes section. Click on Create button. The slide display the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. ये होते हैं placeholders. You can see these are the placeholders. Dotted border box, right? This is placeholders. A blank presentation uses the default setting for text and color. Click on the layout button in slide group on the home tab and select the desired layout from the display list as shown in figure. How we can do this? look, if you want to open new presentation, look students, it is already a new presentation. It is already a new presentation, but look, presentation 1. But if you want to know what is the pattern or what are the commands to open a new presentation, then click on new button, select blank presentation, and it will open. Right, beta? Before the version of 2013, you will get after the selecting the blank presentation, you will get a button that is create. When you click on create, then you also get the same screen. Look students, I open second file, then the name is automatically changed. Now the new name, the name of new file is presentation 2 because ये मैंने दूसरी फाइल खोली है, right ना? अगर मैं इसको क्लोज कर देता हूँ, if I close it, then I will get again presentation 1 because presentation 2 is closed, right beta? So these are the placeholder. When you look, click to add title, means if you want to write something here, you have to click inside it. Let's click in it. Look beta, the matter is disappear and the cursor will come. It means now we can type there. I'm typing the Century School. Okay, and in it you also can type, suppose I am typing Garonda that Karnal, Garonda in brackets Karnal. Okay beta, you can put this placeholder anywhere like this. Click on the placeholder, click in the placeholder and click on the border of it, and you can move. Right beta? So it is very easy to understand. If you want to change the style of it, then go on insert button or leave it insert, go on home tab, and in slide group, you have a button that is layout. What is it? Layout. Layout means style of it. Click on it, you will get so many options. Look students, when you choose any one, the design of this slide will change. Look beta, now you can observe the style is changed. Again layout, look, style is again changed. Look, layout, style is changed. Look, layout, style is again changed. Look, layout, again change. And if you want to go on same style, you can choose what is the option of it. Click on layout and title slide. Title slide is the main layout in which you can use. Okay, so you can use this. After that, let's read after it. We know that how we can change the slide layout. Layout means style of it. Let me turn the page. Now students, you can see the same option which I told you. Click on home button, then in slide group, click on layout button. You will have so many options and you can choose anyone, right? Now built-in templates. Built-in templates means the templates, the designs which we already have in our computer, which we can use, means we don't need to, no need to use any style which we think, because in computers, in PowerPoint, we have so many pre-designed formats which you can use, and these predefined format is called built-in templates. उसको हम built-in templates के नाम से जानते हैं. And how we can use it? Look beta, after opening the PowerPoint, click on File tab, New option. Let's do it in File and then New. Look student, these are the templates. You can see so many templates we have, right beta? So you can choose any one which you like most. Suppose you like this option, right? You can click on it and it will show you, and after that you have to click on create button. I am repeating, please see it very carefully. Choose your option and create on. You can choose any design of it because style is this and we have 4 color scheme regarding it. Like suppose I choose this like this. Okay. And click on create button. Right, beta? Now you can see the design is automatically come and here you can write whatever you want to write. Okay. And again, click to add subtitle. I hope you are getting very easily. In this way, you can use built-in template. If you, okay, चलो next करते हैं अभी पहले step by step हम करेंगे. ये हो गया built-in template. Modifying built-in template. ये जो option आपने ले लिया है, how you can modify it, how you can change it, its design. You can also take it. Let's take another built-in template, new, and you can search some presentation from here. These are the styles which you can use. These all are pre-designed templates, beta, and you can choose anyone from them, like animation, like business, diagram, education, labels. There are lots of options with that, right? List, personal, and industry. There are a lot of options. Okay, so leave it and come back. So in this way, you can change it. And how you can change the design? Let's see. Click on file menu, then new option, new option. After that, choose anyone. Next, if you want to check, next, suppose create. Now you can see. Again, you have some options. Okay, beta. So in this way, you can change the you can add the built-in templates. Means जो template नहीं design, जो built-in जो पहले से ही attached है कंप्यूटर के अंदर, जो हमने नहीं बनाया, that is already attached, right? Okay, next, let me turn the page. Applying theme. Now, how you can apply the themes? Themes are the set of pre-designed format that include text, layout, background, and color scheme that can be applied on to any presentation to give it a professional look. Look, students, if you want to make beautiful slides, then you have to use design option. And from where you can get it? Design tab and theme option, right? So we have to go in this slide. Suppose I'm using this one. Then click on design tab and here you can see the themes. These are the themes. If you want to see more, then you can click on more button. Click on it. You can see here all the themes. Suppose this, whenever you move your cursor, then you can observe the change at the slide. Look better. You can see the change. Suppose I like this one. Click on it. and your design will change. Okay. Okay. You can change its font style also. Suppose as you can want to change as our school font, it is old English MT. Look better. Now you can change the style. Okay. So this is our design, and design, from design, you can choose any theme like this. This time I choose this one. Okay. I hope it is quite clear to you all. Let me show you another option. This is changing color scheme. Every presentation comes with color scheme beta. You can change the color scheme of the complete presentation or a single slide. How you can do this? First of all, you have to go to the design tab. On the same option, you will find a gallery of different themes in the theme group, right? Preview of effect. Any theme, as I told you, you can change it. Let me do design, and this is your format color, format background. Click on it. From there, you can change any color. Look it up. From there, you can choose any color like this. Now the color is yellow. I hope it is quite clear to you. Let's move to the next option. That is, you can see on the screen. I already covered this changing background color. Now I am going to show you another effect of color scheme. Look beta, go on design. Then you can choose format background. Click on it. When you click inside the slide, you will get another dialog box, sorry, another tab, that is format. And from it, you can change the color of it. Okay, but you can also do the same from the home tab. Home tab. After that, design tab you can choose. Look students, at the right hand side, you will have some option, or this menu will come on the screen of your MS PowerPoint. Now the solid, you can change the color like this. Yellow. If you want to change another color, it's light green. Another color, it's blue, dark sky blue, and another, it's purple. And if you want to change its color ratio, then you can choose the gradient fill. Then picture texture, there are a lot of options in it. You can see. Whenever you will try, you will find all the commands very easily. Okay, beta. This is marble design. This is another marble. And this is bubble design. Water drops, that is. And this is fish design. You can choose anyone which you like most. Okay. Like this. Okay. So you can change according to it. Now I'm going to unmute you all. If you want to ask anything, better you can ask. First of all, you have to raise the hand. If you want to ask anything, please raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Okay, beta. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.